Need to share updates without recording another video and in multiple languages?
This is Zoom Clips. You can see Zoom Clips on my sidebar, and this is our Zoom AI companion. I am actually going to try drafting a video. Usually these videos take me a lot of time. I don't often use a script, I just wing it. But if I want to add a professional looking video with the basic to no minimum effort, I think I can do this with an avatar. So let's take a look here. Take out the bold stuff and let's just clean it up. Let's see what it looks like. Our AI companion is included with your Zoom subscription. And not only can I use it in this format, I can use it with so many other instances. It's pretty remarkable what we can do. I like this. Hey there, need to share updates without recording another video? Yeah, I like that. Let's go ahead and create this with an avatar. All right, I've got an avatar right here. I can do that. And if I put my script right there, I'm gonna go underneath translations and let's pick French and yeah, Chinese, why not? Generate. It's queuing. Great. Now you're seeing that my clips have been created.
Avec Zoom Clips, je peux transmettre votre message en utilisando mon avatar personalizé. Não precisamos de câmera. Poupa tempo, esquece o stress. 节省时间, 避免屏幕上的压力. 청중에게 도달하세요. Dalam berbagai bahasa dengan mudah. Comunicación simplificada con Zoom Clips. Ecco qui, Zoom is helping you communicate with your worldwide audience.
Of course, you don't have to use an avatar to record with clips. In fact, I'm recording right now just with my own face. But if you're like me and you don't speak a gazillion languages, this might be a way for you to reach out to a wide audience and their native speaking language. And in my case, I even have an accent. So if you want to address those use cases too, perhaps clips with avatar could be an approach. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.